What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are installing a Coby Outdoors GoPro mount. I've been waiting for this for a few months now. Finally got it in. It's actually cool. It comes with 3 bolts and the actual Allen key. You need to get it off. So all you gotta do is take off your front cover, which is only one little screw here in the front, and then this actually lines up in the honeycombs, and we're gonna get it mounted, and then we're gonna get some footage on the lake, see how it looks. Obviously you can see this sucks. I hate this one. This one drives me nuts, so I'm super excited to use this one. So you can see it gets mounted with these 3 hex screws through the mesh. It's on there pretty solid. It's not coming off anytime soon. Alright guys, we're back out on the water here. We're going to try out the new mount here. Check it out, see how it looks. Now, this thing is solid. It is not going anywhere. Now, my thing's broken, so don't let that judge you, but the mount itself is very secure. I can't wait to use this. As you can see, this mount sucks. I was really disappointed with the handlebar mount, so I got high expectations for this. So we're gonna take her out for a rip and see how it looks. I'll do a comparison video for the handlebars from the center one, and you can see the difference. Let's go ride.
Going up, they always asking for too much. I need to get some better luck. Need a moment to adjust, and when faces I don't trust. There's no sense in yelling man down. No one can hear me, they ain't coming around. Up to my neck, but I ain't gonna drown. Been here so long, I had to double down. Change, it was what it is. I ain't shaking hands, fuck making amends. I'm breaking your chin, I came here to win. I'm killing you sharks, I'm cutting your fins. I'm breaking the silence, I stay with a grin. You staying behind me, fuck out of my lens. I came with a smile, I'm killing forget. I'm way past the line, see I don't forgive. I got an appetite for destruction. I'm on a war path that I'm gunning. Bitch, you can see me from a fucking mile away. I ain't scared, you can know I'm coming. All this trouble shit ain't new to me. $500,000 on these lawyer fees. 7 years, bitch, still on my feet. Let's go to the toe, let's see who bleeds. Hey. Only option is to run it. Don't step in unless you want it. I'm the ghost that keeps on running. Don't come close, I see you stumbling. Get no slack, I see you crumbling. Don't relax, I see you fumbling. Off your head, you know I'm hunting. Painted red, I'll make it stunning. You have no reason why I got 100. You don't believe me, so I'm gonna sun it. Thinking I'm reaching while I see you lunging. I know you don't mean shit, you just a puppet. See, I got nothing and still make it something. Never a minute that I am not wondering, but in the end I know I can never do enough. They always asking for too much. I need to get some better luck. Need a moment to adjust, and when faces I don't trust. There's no sense in yelling man down. No one can hear me, they ain't coming around. Up to my neck, but I ain't gonna drown. Been here so long, I had to double down. Please don't provoke me, let no one control me. There's no one above me, like no one before me. I'm breaking your system, I'm rising above it. I'm making it work, ain't worried about judgment. I'm turning the milk into butter, ain't crawl out the bucket. I'm making the music inspired the public. I'm learning at times, I gotta say fuck it. I'm getting so close, but never can't touch it. Awaken the beast and I don't agree, we'll catch you asleep, yeah. Fuck making peace, I'm taking the keys, I'm taking the seat, yeah. You run a bridge, so I still believe. You just a bitch, you just a seed. I'm giving you pain, I'm snatching your greed. You fading away, I'm taking the lead. No one will follow you into battle. No one sees you, just a shadow. Why you looking like you rattled? I've been running with the jackals. Break you down, I'll make examples. See you looking like you fragile. Out here talking all that bad, will tear you down, I will dismantle. You have no reason why I got 100. You don't believe me, so I'm gonna sun you. Thinking I'm reaching while I see you lunging. And let me don't mean shit, you just a puppet. See, I got nothing and still make it something. Never a minute that I am not winning, but in the end I know I can never do enough. They always asking for too much. I need to get some better luck. Need a moment to adjust, and when faces I don't trust. There's no sense in yelling